Your hummingbirds are back. How about that?
I thought I killed them.
No.
Their water went moldy and I thought I killed them.
Well, you didn't.
One second. We'll be right with you. Okay, he's gone. All right. I thought you were going to get a haircut.
Yeah, I didn't get one yet. Look at me.
Apparently not. What is this? You know we're leaving for Vegas in like 3 days, right? Actually, today's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Basically, it's 2 days. 2 days away. It's 2 days away.
Turn into a hippie. So, how y'all doing? Here's the deal. Just so y'all know, I'm going to start... we got this reality that we're going to move to the beach. And,
it's a reality. It's
reality. It's not a dream anymore. It's reality. We're still a few years away from that. We do understand. But I'm going to go ahead and start fitting in. So, by fitting in, I'm going to start doing a little bit of southern drawl. I think I can do that. You know,
you gonna wear a cowboy hat?
No, that's Texas. We're moving to Alabama. So,
boots then? You're going to have boots?
No, see, we're moving to L.A.
L.A.? No. I've been to Los Angeles. I'm not going there.
No. Lower Alabama. So, anyways, I'm going to go ahead and start my southern drawl. Now, that way, when we get down there, I fit in. So,
people
just
can
bear with
understand
me. Bear with me. It's going to be a learning process, but
He'll be my translator because I don't intend to get a southern accent. I'm fine just the way I am.
Yeah, you could try. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and try this and see how it goes, and y'all let me know if it works or not. And I'm not going to say darling or hun or sweet or sugar.
You told me bless my heart yesterday.
Well, bless your heart is bless your heart. You know what I'm saying? Bless your heart. Anyways, just wanted to touch base and say howdy. And howdy. See, there you go. Got it. Howdy.
Yep.
And let you know we're here, and we're at the Pippinville Beach House. And one of these days, like I said, we are going to take this south. But for right now, this is what you get. Fake palm tree and everything. And so we just wanted to kind of bring up to you some of our one of our products today that we're actually going to be taking on our trip to Vegas.
Would not leave without it, like not even a possibility. See, okay, this is what we're talking about right here. It's a probiotic, okay? And I know you got a probiotic from Walmart. I'm sure you've got it sitting in your cabinet. You take it maybe once every couple days or whatever. This stuff is gold, all right? I'm telling you. It helps maintain a healthy digestional tract. Digestional?
Yeah, you're good. That's
right.
They get the gist.
Right.
Gut,
so
in your gut.
Your gut health. Let's just say that. It's way easier to spell. G-U-T. Health.
Gut
okay.
health.
So, but this stuff right here, when you're traveling, you're eating all kinds of different food that are offered to you and you're not really sure what you're going to get and what you're going to end up with. And, you know, you come in contact with people on airplanes. I'm kind of a germaphobe, and this really helps boost my immune system.
True.
So I take a few extra of these when I go to bed, when I'm traveling, and a couple of days when I get back.
You don't know where those peanuts have been that you're getting on a plane. You don't know where they've been.
They don't give peanuts on planes anymore. No, I think too many people are
allergic
to them. Hey, if you're allergic to peanuts, I'm telling you, this does great things for allergies too. When you maintain your gut health and get all that inflammation taken care of, you don't have a problem with allergies anymore. Just saying.
That's true. That's
true. Did you pack your socks? Because I bought you brand new socks.
I got a pair on right now.
Did you pack?
I still got 5 pair. We're going to be gone 7 days. I got 5 pair of socks. That's good enough for me. Right?
Not.
Yep, works for me.
Okay, so then
3 pair of underwear, 3 pair of underwear, 5 pair of socks. We're good. We're good.
3 pair of underwear.
Well, yeah.
So you're gonna go,
including the ones I got on when I leave.
So
got to go through customs.
4 pairs, 7 days. I'm not sure how this is going to work out. Hey, but if you see us in Vegas, come up and say hi, all right?
How y'all doing?
Yep, we're Brett and Renee from the Pippinville Beach House.
Woohoo! Good to see y'all. Have a good day.
Bye.